what we do in here with this training, when we are really reconnecting to our goals, therefore it needs to be a practice, okay? Because you know, you all know this chart, right? The vibrational frequency chart. I don't know if you heard about this before, right? Neutrality and acceptance is in the middle. Here you have the negative states, here you have the positive states. What you actually do when you recreate your life, you know, you literally focus on what you do want. You focus on what you truly want, right? And then the difference between the life you're living right now and the life you're living in your dreams is actually the gap that you have energetically of who you are, of your self-image. Your self-image here, how you see yourself living your life right now, and how you think of your goals, the life of your dreams comes, do you agree that it comes with a different version of you? Right? You have to be more skilled, or you need some clarity, or you need to take other actions, you know, or there's many things to do, right? And this gap is the gap that you actually also work upon when you work your goals. First, you need to have that clarity on your goals, what it is, and train your brain instead of looking at what goes wrong, or instead of looking at the distraction of your circumstances, right? Or the people in your life, or whatever is going on. It's literally you train yourself, to show up as a version that actually you need to be in order for you to live that dream life. Okay. And then second, train yourself to reconnect with your goals, because there might be distractions outside. And when you go to the distractions, you might feel overwhelmed, fear, stress, resistance. And then because of you feeling all of that, you know, your actions won't be supporting you. Okay. So it is being in the now, very aware, becoming the observer of your own emotional engagement with the thoughts that you're having. And that is being in the now, you know, learning to respond instead of to react. Observe what's going on. And by becoming the observer, you get to say, hey, do I want to create this or not? No, I don't want to. Don't want to contribute to things that I don't want. I really want to contribute to things that I do want. So then you remind yourself, hey, what are my goals? You remind yourself, hey, who do I need to be in order to live that? And you reconnect with that. And you still do it from, of course, this very present moment.
Are you a woman between 25 and 55 years old? Perhaps you have been going through a burnout, you have been going through a divorce, you are literally reinventing yourself. Have you been experiencing that you became ill and that you needed to take care of yourself in such a specific way that you got to experience, hey, wait, there's so much more going on that I don't know? Are you experiencing that you are not heard, seen, or understood by very important people in your life? Are you looking to find who are you? Are you looking to find for clarity on what it is that you want in life, in your relationships, in your job, in your expression of this in this world? How can you have a healthy relationship with your partner? Are you a woman who is struggling to put yourself first? How can you prioritize yourself? Who am I? I desire to find really answers to who I am. Hey, we are running an event on September 13th, 14th, and 15th, called the shift. What if you were to change one thing in your life and that one thing would stick? What would that be for you? Perhaps you know that when you're honest to yourself, that you can admit that you're not feeling well. How do you deal with that? With that nagging feeling of things to be different in your life? That you're fed up with specific situations that you're dealing with? Is it in your job or in your relationship or for your health? And you really feel it drags you down. Now, for those of you who can be honest to admit that they don't feel well anymore, then this event is for you. Because what we do there is just being honest to ourselves by admitting, yes, I truly want things to change. Please, I don't want to carry this burden anymore. I don't want to have the discussions anymore. I don't want to have the energy that is dragging me down. I have so much more inside of me, and I want to honor that. I really deeply long for things to be different in my life. Well, if that is you, then you need to be on this event, because you experience 3 experiences, so to speak. Because I desire for you to feel that shifts are possible, are within your reach. Many of you perhaps think that there is no solution. There are solutions, and there are many solutions. It's just you opening up to the possibility, okay, done, I quit this, I'm stepping over my old self and I'm ready to reinvent. If that is you, then I invite you to click the link below and join for the event. Be there and own it to you, to your self-worth, that you deserve so much more than what you are right now tolerating. Okay, see you then. Bye. Talk to you very soon. My name is Siege Nagels. I am a life coach and a transformational mentor. I help you to connect more with your greater self, your higher self, and create that lifestyle, that personal freedom to become who you truly are, not just a small version of you. No, you fully. And then, by doing that first, you get to help the ones you love as well. So now, first you, and let's make that happen together. Talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.